Rebecca's back now with ready weather. On my way home last night, driving westbound on 94, I thought I saw an aircraft coming in for a landing at, the Waukesha County Airport, which happens, but it wasn't moving. And I'm like, well, wait a minute now, is it a drone or what? And it kept following me all the way home. And yeah, I entertained some weird thoughts, but
You definitely have some extra eyes on you. We got to keep track of it.
yeah, so what, it's all about some planets, and wow, were they bright.
You know what? That is so cool to hear, like, your firsthand experience, right? And you were looking in the right direction, so you just happen to be looking to the west, and that's where you need to view these two planets that you can see visible with the naked eye. I did not get a chance to see this, so I'm hoping to get out yet tonight. You can do so as well. Again, looking to the western sky, really just after sunset into the evening. So from about 7 to 10 p.m. tonight, you'll see Jupiter and Venus. They'll appear close together. That's actually just called a conjunction. So they look close, and it can be confused with whatever ideas Mike Strela was entertaining, but folks, not a UFO. So the only thing we'll be fighting is a little bit of cloud cover, so we'll continue to hope for some peaks of sun here early on in the evening, and that will give us a chance to view that yet tonight. Well, as we continue to talk about weather headlines over the next 48 hours, back to reality after some of us touched 50 yesterday, about average with temperatures in the upper 30s, and again, some evening clearing here after a rather cloudy day to get out and do some night sky gazing. Now, Friday, who gets the snow? Mostly southeast spots in terms of accumulation, light, and mainly south of Milwaukee. So this does not look to appear to give us a direct hit any longer, and even throughout the past couple of days, only a couple of models showed that opportunity, and even those have now shifted a little further to the south. So let's take a look at things right now. Ready Doppler again, seeing all of those clouds, a bit of a northeast breeze out there, felt most right up along the lakefront. Here's the storm as we continue to monitor its track, and as of now, the Chicago area into portions of Michigan, northern Indiana, they are pegged with a winter storm watch, so they're looking to see more of a direct hit. No alerts here because we're really not expecting any heavy snow activity across southeast Wisconsin. So for snow lovers, it doesn't look like we'll probably see a big one out of this next system. 8 in Fargo, so some colder air locked up to the north. Meanwhile, some warmer air to the south. 54 in Louisville, 37 Chicago, 35 right now in the city of Milwaukee. Despite all those clouds, we'll probably tick up another couple of degrees, but you can see inland spots are a little cooler, hanging right there around the freezing mark. Rest of the afternoon, again, probably a fair amount of stubborn cloud cover because the wind isn't terribly strong to break apart the clouds, but some clearing is possible, especially right here into the early evening. So again, get outside, look to the west, see if you can pick out those two planets. As we continue then through the rest of the overnight, clouds will pull back in. We'll continue with an onshore wind, which will pick up, so you'll notice that breeze for your Friday. Temperatures are going to be in the 30s here throughout the day, and again, we'll probably get a little bit of snow, but only for places probably along the I-94 West corridor and points south of that. That is your evening commute, and then it's kind of gone and out of here. So again, in terms of accumulation, just to account for any wiggle up to the north, maybe up to 2 inches from Milwaukee back to Lake Geneva and points south, a dusting elsewhere. 7-day forecast, and it has us pretty quiet over the course of the weekend. It's possible we could see a sprinkle or flurry on your Saturday. Sunday looks probably a little brighter, and then a chance for what should be mostly rain, but a rain-snow mix possible to start off next week, and then cooler but brighter for the rest of that first